From when school over and then they are following up with my...
We have nothing to fear. To the contrary, bring it on.
I am the fastest man in the world.
Welcome to the Countdown Quickie, where I give you a trending topic in a jiffy. It's your girl Danger, and without further ado, let's get right into today's topics. Now, burritos, I'm going to call this one PNP's comeback. So, as some of us may already know, recently Peter Phillips stepped down from being the leader of the opposition party and Mr. Mark Golding took over. However, for quite a while, some persons were wondering what exactly is going on within the People's National Party. They had to do some shifting around, some persons stepped down, and so it seems as if they have come back from that hazy area, and I'm getting to understand that Mr. Mark Golding recently announced or recently stated on Sunday during a meeting of the party's National Executive Council that, listen, here what going on right here, so no? You know what the whole land need to know about we and the People's National Party? We need to know that we are going to be bringing it on. People, just take a listen.
I trust the Jamaican people's judgment. I believe in democracy. We abide by the results of elections. And we are confident with the way this country is being run now, and how people rejected the corruption and the mismanagement and lack of fear to the ordinary Jamaican people. We have nothing to fear. To the contrary, bring it on. Bring it on.
Whoa. No, man. It seems as if the People's National Party is slowly piecing back everything together and they're planning their big bad comeback. Because what I'm also getting to understand is not just word of mouth, and Mr. Golding did not just come up with this out of his mouth. Because recently, the latest Don Anderson poll found that 54.5% of Jamaicans have a positive view of Prime Minister Andrew Holness, while 53.2% of them have a positive view of the opposition leader, Mark Golding. Now, people, why I wasn't so good at maths in high school, but trust me, I believe that I am smart enough to know that those two numbers are extremely close. And right about now, I'm getting to understand that apparently the People's National Party have decided that, look, we are coming back with a force, and really and truly, Burritos, I am honestly looking forward to the next upcoming elections because, trust me, the competition is going to be stiff. JLP is coming with the fire, and PNP seems as if they're coming with a hotter fire. Burritos, stay tuned and let me know down in the comment section below. Do you believe that the PNP has what it takes to take over from JLP? Because, trust me, JLP has been in power since 2016. So is this PNP's comeback? Sound off in the comment section down below. Drugs in sports? So, Burritos, as we all know, the fastest man in the world hails from Jamaica. The great Usain Bolt, who broke the world record back in 2009 with a whopping 9.58 seconds. So now, as Jamaicans, this is obviously something that we continuously pride ourselves in. But recently, I was on Twitter, and I'm getting to understand that some enhanced games people decided that they were going to tweet a video stating that they may possibly have someone who is faster than Usain Bolt. It's just that we have never heard of them. People, please to take a look.
I am the fastest man in the world. But you've never heard of me. I have broken Usain Bolt's 100-meter record. Come join me in 2024 at the first Enhanced Games and see me break the world record in public.
No, you tell me now. As a Jamaican, I had to take offense. But it's not even about taking offense in Burritos, because what I'm getting to understand is that Enhanced Games is actually in some sort of competition now with Olympics, because as you know, Olympics is all against doping and using any sort of drugs to enhance your performance on the field. However, Enhanced Games takes a different stance, and basically what they are saying is that, look, we don't have anything against athletes who want to dope. If you want to dope and come and run, that is fine. If you want to dope and take part in any sort of sporting event, we will not have a problem with that. We're okay with that. Now, people, you tell me now, burritos, do you agree with this? Tell me, do you think that this is right? Honestly, since the release of this video on Twitter, I have not heard anything from Usain Bolt. I really don't think Usain Bolt care. Honestly, me feel like Usain Bolt right about now is just way too busy drifting on a yacht to care about what these enhanced people are saying. My opinion is that I believe that honesty is the best policy. And in order to judge somebody's performance accurately, you have to see them performing without any sort of doping, without any sort of drugs that will push them. Usain Bolt broke the world record without drugs. I can safely say that because they tested him. So who are these people now for come to about how them can find man? We're faster than Usain Bolt. It's not gonna be the same. It's not gonna be fair. Because if somebody breaks his world record and that person is on dope, it's not gonna be the same. So Berritos, just let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Do you believe that doping should be allowed in sports? Sound off down below. Moving right along into the last and final topic. So, Berritos, recently, there has been an unrest in the country regarding children being missing or abused. And it has also sparked protests, and the general populace is now concerned about the state of the country. Now, on TikTok, this taxi man was clearly upset at some young schoolgirls who he saw chatting with some young men late in the evening, and he decided to post a video about it. Take a look.
Yo, see you data them here. And every time when they go miss you, I call me if you put them up on internet. Soon data here. Soon data them here, they hide from road at even time. When you forget on the yard, you know they are fall up with man. Go on your yard, girl. Go on the yard, man. Every time when time you can't find no data them, you stress me out for post them up on TikTok and Facebook and Instagram. And beg people to carry them back. So no dirty pitney them here from when school over and then they fall up with man. They now go their yard. They now go home. Rain a fall, then they are with man. From there rain a fall. See there? Look how the place wet. And on the data then they fall out. They now come at their yard and every minute as soon as they go miss you know ask them to put them up because no one find them. You don't cry to me. Call no dirty data them out their yard. You nasty pitney them. Call them phone and make them come at their yard. I'm tired of them little dirty girl here daytime. I'm tired of them little nasty girl.
Whoa. And so, Berritos, when this video came out, persons had a lot of mixed views about it. Some people were saying, boy, it be kind of disrespectful to refer to the children as dirty gal or nasty pitney, while some persons were saying what he's doing is right and that it takes a village to raise a child. Honestly, my view on this entire thing is that they are right. It does take a village to raise a child. And sometimes what you will understand is that if other persons, if the general community is interested in ensuring that, look, our children are being well taken care of, then it will help. It will possibly even quell the entire problem that we're having in Jamaica right now regarding children being missing. Because at the end of the day, this man could have decided, say, listen, them little picnic, them not have nothing about them they out there in the streets, I talk to man, me no business with them. I don't care about what them want to do with them life. Me just care about my something. Me I run taxi. Me just want to know so them I pay them money when them come in my taxi and I don't care. He posted this video. It sparked a lot of conversation. And I believe that he was right in showing interest and posting this video to highlight the issue. However, my one problem with what he did was the fact that he should not have said what he said. He should not have referred to the young ladies like that. Yes, I get that he's upset because he did state that, boy, you know, the parents, them are reach out to him and are sending pictures whenever the children them gone missing. And these are the same parents who have them children out here late in the night doing all sorts of things. God, he knows what with these men. But at the end of the day, you have to be careful with how you refer to these young ladies. Now said dirty girl and nasty picnic. Right, I get that you're upset, but you know, because I am sure that he would not want anybody to refer to his mother or his sister or even his child like that. So, my readers, let me know what you believe down in the comment section below. Do you believe that if the entire community is genuinely involved with the upbringing of a child, that it will solve the problem that we're currently having in Jamaica and it will contribute to less children being missing? Sound off in the comment section down below. That is it for today's Countdown Quickie, and I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It's your girl Dendra signing out.